How to convert AVI video to MP4 on Windows 10. First of all, launch Ease Us Video Converter on your PC and choose the video converter. Then click on the Choose Files button to import the video you want to convert. It also allows you to drag and drop the video to import it. Then click on the Settings option to select the target format. You can choose MP4 as the output format and adjust the resolution and bitrate properly. Then customize the folder to save the MP4 video offer conversion. Two buttons are available to convert the file. The convert button can help you convert one video, while the convert all button can process a batch of videos. In the Finish tab, you can find the converted MP4 video. If you want to preview it, you can simply click on the Open button to activate the built-in media player. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.